What's up, guys? Today I'm checking out more Parliament. This one's titled Come In Out of the Rain, requested by Mr. Step to Me on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before. Very excited to get into some more Parliament, of course. But before we get into it, I definitely want to make sure that everybody, says a prayer or keeps Mr. Step to Me in their heart for sure, because he's going through some tough times right now, battling cancer. And the message he sent me really touched me, so I definitely want everybody to, at least say a prayer for him, But yeah, that being said, man, let's just go ahead and check this one out. Parliament, Come In Out of the Rain. And I know for a fact, before I get last thing, if everybody in the comments section of this video, was saying I'm gonna say a prayer for you, or I'm gonna keep you in my heart, or something like that, I just know how much that would mean to them. So if y'all could do that, it definitely would mean a lot to Mr. Step to Me. I want to say his real name because I don't know if he's comfortable with me exposing that information. Probably not. But anyways, man, let's go ahead and get into Parliament. Come In Out of the Rain. Okay, interesting vibe so far.
Happiness and peace is getting more and more out of my reach.
Okay, this is early Parliament, 100%.
Violence and revolution
1970s.
seems to be all that the people want to preach. You're gunning down your brothers, molesting your sisters and your mothers in the streets. Whoa, and the president's talking about a change, but nobody's got sense enough to come in out of the rain.
I like that. Yo, so this is some deep Parliament. There's actual context, to it. Like some deep context to it. I like that. Really liking the context.
The president's talking about a change, but nobody's got sense enough to come in out of the rain.
Yo, I like that from Parliament. I was not expecting that. I like that a lot from Parliament, man. That was some deep stuff they were saying, too. The context of this one, man, definitely a like button right there, easy. But yo, I really enjoyed this one. They definitely did their thing on this one. And this is another one of those, examples of early Parliament, being completely different from what, most people recognize them for, which is the Parliament or the P-Funk era. But yo, I like this, man. Them being conscious and spitting some actual context, deep context. I'd say to their songs and everything. And this one definitely had that all that I really like hearing in songs the most. It was a bit short, but honestly, I don't care. That was nice, man. Really enjoyed that one right there. Definitely a jam. But if you guys enjoyed the reaction, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.